What up guys? Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the channel if you're new. It's John here from Seed Visual and I'm bringing you another Tesla video today. But if you missed last week's video, make sure you go check it out. Pablo did a behind the scenes on what it's like to get a Tesla solar roof installed. I know there's a lot of questions surrounding that topic, but we are working with one of the lead installers here in Texas, so we have some exclusive access and we are going to be bringing all the content here to our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. We got a whole lot more coming on Tesla Solar. Today's video is going to be all about Tesla EV accessories. There are so many different things you can get for your Tesla vehicle, and there's so many different manufacturers. There's always a big question is, well, what is good, what is not? So we partnered up with Taptes to make this video today, and we are gonna go through and explain 3 of their products that we really thought were useful, and we had a chance to install and test them out yesterday, and we're gonna give you guys our feedback. If you haven't heard of Taptes before, they are a third-party manufacturer that offers over 500 accessories on their website for Tesla Model 3s, Model Ys, S, X, you name it, they got it. The first accessory that we took a look at was the charging cable organizer. This is a very practical accessory that almost any Tesla owner can relate to one way or another. And my first impression taking it out of the box was, wow, this is actually a pretty decent quality. It retails for $27.99. It is plastic, but it has a very nice slick matte finish to it. And the beautiful part about this is it does match the power supply for the Tesla cable. When you open the box, you'll notice there's 3 different types of hardware. The actual mount, the mounting bracket, and then you have 4 screws and you have 4 anchors for drywall if you're installing in a garage or something like that. The installation process itself was very straightforward and easy. The mounting bracket does have a thicker part on the top. You will want to make sure that's the top. The skinnier part does go on the bottom. And all you got to do is line it up where you want it, trace your marks, go ahead and put a small hole in the wall that you are going to be mounting to, and all you do is lightly tap in the anchors, match up the plate, and go ahead and screw it secure. Once the bracket is secured to your wall, all you do is actually slide the mount on top of the bracket and it is nice and secure and ready to go. Now you have no more unorganized cables on the ground or however you're currently doing it at home, but this mount really does keep the cable organized. You can go ahead and roll it up, stick the actual charging head inside the little nook provided by the cable organizer, and now your charging head is always protected and easily able to be accessed. This is a product I will personally recommend to any Tesla owner. The best part is it's under $30, it does the job, it looks nice, it feels nice, and ultimately it is going to keep your cord very organized and protected. The next accessory I'm going to cover is the USB hub. This is compatible with Model 3s and Model Ys. Again, I was pretty impressed with the quality of this accessory, and it is plastic, but it retails for $26.99. That's a buck cheaper than the cable organizer. As you can imagine, this installation process is very easy and straightforward. All you need to do is plug the 2 USB inputs into the existing USB slots in the center console. In my Model 3, the USB hub fits like a glove. It's nice and tight and snug, so there's not a whole lot of wiggle room, which I think is good when you're talking about electronics. And the best part about it is I have now extended from 2 outputs to 5 outputs. You'll notice there are 3 USB-A's on the top of the hub and 1 USB-C. One of those USB-A's can read data, so that's always a good thing for another USB drive or anything like that. But the best part about this is the 5th compartment. It is a hidden magnetic drawer that you can tap, open the drawer, and you now have room for a solid state drive or even another flash drive is what I currently use. This is specifically designed for Sentry mode to provide an extra layer of security. If somebody was to break into your car, hopefully they don't know about the secret compartment and all your data and security footage from Sentry mode is going to remain safe. Anybody who has a 2021 model probably doesn't have to worry about the Sentry mode security because that model does have an extra USB in the glove box, which can remain locked while you are not in the car. Ultimately, this is a great accessory for under $30 yet again. It provides the extension of inputs and outputs that you may need to have in the car. And that alone was a big issue for me when I first got my Model 3 because I had to remove one of my phone cables to plug in my Sentry mode flash drive. Now with this USB hub, I no longer have to worry about that, and I've added an additional layer of security. This last accessory we're gonna talk about legit blew me away. I could not believe how dope it was. Taptes has a center console wrap for the Model 3 and Model Y that was spectacular. It retails for under $15 at $14.99. It is plastic, but it has a very nice protective finish on top, and it is so easy to install. Unlike most wraps, I was assuming I was gonna have to get out my squirt bottle and run my blade and sponge and get all the air pockets out and actually have like a sticker wrap. Whereas this is a shell. It comes in 3 pieces. It's got an adhesive on the back. You simply remove the sticker, place it directly onto your car. It's molded perfectly. It fits seamlessly, and I could not believe that it actually provided a more luxurious look than that standard gloss finish that matches the outside of the car. The worst part about that glossy glass finish on the inside is, as most of you know, it attracts so much dust and fingerprints, and if you don't use the right cloth, you can actually risk scratching it. So putting this protective case over the top gives a more luxurious look, but ultimately does provide additional protection. And I think this is an absolute no-brainer if you do have a pre-2021 model. If you do have a 2021 model, you don't have to worry about this with that new center console design. That does it for the accessories that Pablo and I had a chance to review. Once again, these came from Taptus. If you are interested in any of these products, please use our referral links down below. It will help support the channel at no cost to you. These can be purchased directly from Amazon, so it's a super easy ordering process. Shout out to Taptus for partnering with us to make this video possible. I personally can vouch for those 3 products that we reviewed. I look forward to getting more accessories from them and reviewing them here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe for all things Tesla related. And once again, I really appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this video. If you made it this far, I've got a little treat for you. We do have a giveaway going on right now. We're giving away a Tesla Cybertruck. It is an RC Hot Wheels Cybertruck, but it's a very cool collector's item. It's a limited edition. We were able to get our hands on a couple. They aren't selling them at all anymore. So those details will be popped up on the screen here in a second. And once again, thank you guys for all your support. Take care. Peace.